Hey everybody, got the white birds here. I got, I want to say 16 to 18 of them, didn't really count. About 5 miles in a different direction from the other day. Open field, no trees, some vineyards. So hopefully no wires. So hopefully none of them land on a tree today. Let's see how it goes. Come on. There they go. Go. Some of them don't want to go out. There they go. A couple of them didn't want to go out, so I had to throw them out. Those two there and that one there. Almost in that direction. And I have a headwind going home. A little bit windy today, probably 10, 12 miles an hour. Home is south. The wind is blowing towards the north, so they're going to be right on the nose with the wind. They're going the wrong way right now. Circling that farm down there. Last year they picked up a couple wild pigeons from that farm. Hopefully they don't land in the tree over there. Oh, on top of the silo. Oh, one of them just did. One of them's on top of the silo right now, right there. See if that one makes it home.
Another one landed in the tree down there.
One landed in the tree. Well, if they can't make it home, it's not my problem. They're only 5 miles away. They ought to be able to make it home. If they can't make it from 5 miles, then that's a problem. Another one landed in the tree. Come on, birds, figure out where you are. There you go. That's the right direction there. There you go. They don't like flying into the wind, but they're figuring it out. Going the right way now. Right above me now. Oh, wrong way. Turn around. Directly above me. There you go. That's the right way. Good. Let's see if these ones make it home. Got one up there on the silo. I think 1 or 2 in the tree still. Oh, one just left the tree. Oh, there's the wild pigeons up there, circling. Yeah, that one's going home. Oh, there's a loose one going the wrong way. Oh. They're all coming back the wrong way, trying to pick up their friends. Say, come on, we found it this way. All right, well, I'll give you an update when they come home, if they come home. Have a good night. Well, we're home, and there they are. Just as we pulled in, they pulled in too. It's about 5 o'clock. Sun's gonna be setting soon. Didn't see any hawks today, which is always a good thing. Look at that sky. Nice picture right there. Must not be too hungry because I ain't coming in yet. Well, see how many there are. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 17 is what I'm getting. I think there was a couple youngsters I left home, so they're not all home yet, but hopefully soon they will be. Well, they're gonna be spending the night outside. Well, take care, everybody. If you can leave a like, if you can subscribe if you want, I'd appreciate it. And share with a friend. If you want to comment, I can get back to you. Hope you all are doing well. And take care, everybody. Leave you with this beautiful image right here. Good night.